Hey everybody, Martika here, and I just finished my health update video. So if you haven't gotten a chance to take a look at that and you want to know the update about how things have been going and what's been going on new, just go and check that video out. But this video is about a couple of projects that I have done and I'm pretty excited about it. So you guys, I haven't made like a clothing piece probably in a few weeks now because I've been making bags. That is what I have been making. Take that back. I did make a top. I did do that. I posted it on Instagram, but I didn't make it here. It was a quick little top that I threw together. I may review it later, but right now, no, I'm good. I'll just let you see it on Instagram. I didn't even formally photograph it, but I did do a couple of bags that I'm pretty excited about. So, yeah, stay tuned so I can share that with you. So the first bag that I did was McCall's 8375. And that is this bag right there, you guys. I did what view is that? That is view D. So you have quite a few views here. You have this shoulder bag. It's like a hobo, type bag. And then you have this bag with the tie on it, this bag with the tie on both sides, and then this bag here that also has like a tie on it. And I think they might be like different sizes. This one has like a couple of handles that you can add to it, and I'm looking on the back to see what's different about the others. They're all just made just a little bit differently, but this one is like a standalone bag. It's made totally different than the others, and I just really love the drop in this bag, and looks like it can carry a lot, so I made it. This particular pattern, it calls in that particular view, actually, yeah, all of these views call for the same type of fabric. And it is cotton or cotton blends, linen, lightweight twill, lightweight home decor fabrics. That's pretty much all it called for. I'm pretty sure you can use like denim for this, and other fabrics. So just get creative with it. And then the interfacing was a fusible knit. You guys, I just used my like heavier welt fabric interfacing, my welt interfacing that I have. It's thicker. It doesn't really have a stretch, and fusible knit, I didn't see why that was needed because this is not a knit fabric, but it is what it is. I just used what I had. I was actually in Joann's looking for a knit, but a knit interface, and the lady was like, just use what you have, it's not that serious. So I did, and it worked out. So this is the bag that I made, you guys. This is a linen blend, and I have a lot of this fabric. I bought this fabric at Joann's on clearance. I think it might have been last summer, if I'm not mistaken. And I got it for like, if I remember, I got it for like maybe $4 and something a yard, but I'll get this closer so you can see that print. I love that. It's like a, oh gosh, I want to say like a palm tree leaf print, but I love the colors of the black, white, and khaki in it. And this just gives me vacation vibes. I'm not gonna lie, it gives me vacation vibes, but it's definitely a bag that you can carry, through the summer, through the spring. This is definitely, I probably doubt if I carry it in the winter because of the design itself. But then this part, the trim of it, I had a black linen blend. So I just cut a little bit of that off of the fabric that I had because it did match the feel and the look of this fabric. And I used that for my strap. This particular pattern itself, I would say that it is easy. It really is easy to do. I don't think there is a lining, and I just use the same lining fabric that I used for my last bag that I showed you in my video. This is like a curtain type fabric. It's silky on the other side and just have like a fabric on this side. So I had some more of that, so I used that for my lining, and that's pretty much all that's in there. There is no pocket in this. There is not any snaps or closures in this bag. It's just, you know, a bag that you can kind of carry. However, I believe that I will be adding like a sew-in snap to this so that I can close it. Because when I carry this, I will be carrying it like a purse, and I don't want my purse to just easily, you know, be open or opened. So, yeah, now on the straps, I will warn you, when following the directions, I was so focused, you guys. And unfortunately, y'all know I like to show y'all my bloopers. My strap came out twisted. Okay, because it's actually let me see, how did this go? Yeah, it came out twisted. So this is your side, okay? And you sew this on, the front, and then you sew, yeah, some kind of way. You hear me getting hung up because I can't remember. Anyway, you want to make sure that the twist of the strap is all straight when it's going around. Well, some way, somehow, on both of these sides, you guys, I twisted the darn thing, okay? I twisted it, and yeah, my straps came out twisted. Guess who wasn't unpicking that? All those little threads and redoing it. You know what? This is going to be on my shoulder. You're not going to be able to tell. It's staying just like it is. Okay, so no big deal, you know, unless you have like a pattern strap or something where it'd be obvious this is black. Ain't nobody gonna know, and I really don't care. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. But it like I said, it doesn't even make a difference. Nobody would know that the strap itself, you know, was twisted there unless I told them. So yeah, but other than that, you guys, this is a really easy pattern to try. Even for a beginner, I would say, you know, you want to get into some bag making, this is an easy one to do. So yeah, go ahead and try it out. And then it'll also let you try your hand at some lining fabric too. I mean, you know, well, just doing a lining. It doesn't have to be just lining fabric. You can line with whatever you want to, but yeah, that'll give you kind of little go ahead to try that out. So yeah, McCall's 8375 if you don't have that pattern. And then the next bag that I did, it is not a pattern from the store. I am actually a member of Sew It Academy and have been for a few years, and just really getting back to my lessons there. So Mimi G put in a while back a hobo bag. And there is a PDF to print out for this. There is 4 sheets of paper to this PDF pattern, you guys. And I'm going to tell you, my most favorite bag to carry, or purse, handbag, whatever you want to call it, is a hobo bag. I love them. Always have. I guess because they're comfortable for the shoulder, and depending on how big they are, they can just hold so much stuff. So this is my hobo bag that I made in the Sew It Academy. Okay, there's nothing inside it right now, but she taught us, you know, how to put the zipper. I could have put one on both sides, but I decided to leave the other side just plain. This fabric, you guys, this is like a leather suede fabric. I have had this for a minute. There's a little like a secondhand shop that people give donations to, that I go to every now and then. And I bought this a few years ago. I know it was probably at least 2-3 years ago. And it was like about 1.5 yards of fabric, of this particular fabric. And I went on ahead and bought it. I think that fabric cost me like $2. And it's just a beautiful fabric, as you can see. And I went on ahead, I said, this would make a great purse. At first I was thinking a skirt, but when she came out with that hobo bag pattern in the Sew It Academy, I was like, I got to do that. I got to. We have the detail of the handle here. And on the inside, you guys, there we do have a magnetic snap. This is not a sew-in. I actually learned how to do the regular magnetic snap by doing this. So I got my snap in there, but on the inside, let me show you. And I have some photos here too that you can see more detail if you can't see it from what I'm showing you. But I'm pulling this lining out, same lining, you guys. Still using the lining, okay? I don't think I have much of it left. No, this is not going to work out right. But what I did with this pocket is she taught us how, if we wanted to, I stitched all the way down. So I made myself like a pencil holder, pencil and pens, which I'm always putting in my bag. It's a pretty big pocket. And then I split the bigger portion of the pocket down the middle too. So I actually have 3 sections to this one pocket, and I'm sorry you can't see it very well, but I'm trying to show you. But the bag is, you know, really loose. It's not a stiff fabric, but I made myself 2 pockets out of the bigger pockets. But like I said, I have photos here so that you can see the pockets. And then not only that, but I have a key holder so that I don't lose my keys in the bottom of my purse. I added that to the end of the pocket, so when I get where I'm going, I can just pop that open there. This is one of the, I forgot what it's called. I'm not even gonna try to remember right now, but I forgot what it's called. But it's a swivel hook that you can like do like on the sides of a handbag or whatever. But Mimi G taught us how to use it like as a key holder. So that is off in there, so I don't have to worry about losing my keys when I carry this bag. So I'm pretty proud of my hobo bag, you guys. I'm so proud of it. And I will be making more of these. Yeah, many more. I have some faux black leather that I'm gonna use, and I think I'm gonna make one of these out of it. So yeah, love this outside pocket here. Let me open this up to show you that this is a pocket on the outside here. Yes. So I got all kind of room and spaces to store things. And I think this is a really well put together bag, you guys, seriously. And a couple of people in my family might get some of these in a different fabric for Christmas, seriously, because it was a lot of fun to make, easy to cut out, just so simple. So yeah, those are my bags, and I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing them, and I hope that you try your hand at some bags if you haven't. I just wanted to do something different, you know, kind of step away from the clothing for a little bit, kind of relax my mind and everything, and use my sewing as therapy as I normally do, and just try my hand at something new, which is handbags. And I am loving it, you guys. I have so many handbag patterns now, definitely going to be making more. So yeah, you guys have a great one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, do so. We have a lot of fun here on my channel. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my bags, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great one, you guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.